If you've ever wondered what a $2,500 a night hotel room looks like in Vancouver, Canada, well, this is it. I'm gonna give you guys a tour because this hotel room is insane. So this is our main common area here, and we're actually here for my friend Kat's birthday, so we have all the goodies. And Kat is an amazing event planner, so obviously her birthday had to be amazing. We have custom balloons. We actually got our makeup done. She's amazing. She is doing Kat's makeup right now. I'm gonna leave her info linked below. It's next level. I cannot do this to my face. But yeah, we're having a fun girls' staycation weekend.
Celebration.
Yay! And we obviously have to have some good food. I made this.
You're amazing.
Thanks, guys. All right, so it's a girls' night, so it's definitely time for some wine and some drinks. And I just feel so lucky to be able to come and experience this hotel room and share it with you guys because it's actually insane. Like crazy, mind-blowing. Wow! You look so pretty!
I'm feeling...
You look so good.
Like actually, this
Happy
is amazing.
birthday. Cheers.
We live for Jasmine, and Jasmine's never gonna love to leave.
You're moving in, Jasmine. This right here probably has to be the largest hotel bathroom I have ever stayed in. We have 2 separate sinks, we have a bathtub, we have a shower area, a full entire closet. Never have I stayed in a room that has a full closet in the bathroom. Definitely convenient. Would I move in? Definitely. And this hotel has 2 giant bedrooms. Okay, this is...
How did you guys remember that? I really wanted that.
Texted me. So the theme of the evening is baby blue. So we have our Live More dress on. Then I have this little cardigan from Nasty Gal, and we're ready to go to dinner. We're actually going to the Victor, which is in the Park Hotel, to keep it nice and local. And yeah, this is the full dinner look. We have a color palette going on with the matching masks in the color palette. It's perfect. So we've arrived at the Victor, and this is actually located in the Park Hotel. So it's really great if you're coming to visit Vancouver one day. I've been staying here. They have a really nice kind of like nightlife vibe. They actually also have a really good brunch here. I've come here for brunch. They normally have a Caesar bar, which if you're American, that's basically better Bloody Marys. Tell me if I'm wrong. But yeah, we're here, and we actually are, obviously, because everything going on right now, split 2 tables. So there's only 6 people max at a table, and you do have to wear masks everywhere when you're inside, like walking to and from the lobby. So it's really safe, which is nice, and you feel like people are kind of prioritizing health as well. I love that about the JW Marriott. But yeah, I think we're gonna get some wine and enjoy our dinner here and celebrate our lovely friend, Kat. Happy birthday!
Thank you. I'm having the best time.
Look, this is so weird. I love that you chose a color palette for your birthday. This is amazing.
Always, we love a theme.
It makes it so fun. We love a theme.
Yeah.
And I just
obsessed with this color.
yeah, this is. I want to wear baby blue all the time.
Literally. Well, now we can with these.
And also too, these scrunchies, the real silk scrunchies from
Goddess Makes, Freya.
yeah, and I actually have them. I don't know if you can see it. It's my hair like this. Check it out if you're looking for really good silk scrunchies because they're top-notch quality. Now we're gonna get some wine and eat a lot of food. All right, we're back from dinner, and it is time for a group photo. Good morning, you guys. So last night we ended up staying up and having a bunch of wine and played some music, and it was honestly so fun. This room is like built for just like hanging out with your friends, and yeah, it was really fun. I'm definitely feeling it a little bit this morning, the wine. But we actually have a reservation at Honey Salt, which is a really good brunch spot, also located in the Park Hotel. So everything we've gone to has been completely in the park, which is nice because we haven't had to leave. And yeah, you wear masks and everything when you're going from place to place. So yeah, it does feel very safe, which is good. But yeah, I'm excited for some brunch, much needed coffee. So let's go get that delicious food. Alright, we got some green juice and some coffee, much needed liquids, and their brunch menu is so good. They actually normally here have a bar cart that you can get mimosas, and they have a make your own Bloody Mary bar cart as well, but for now, we're going to enjoy some coffee. So this right here is called the monkey bread, and it's actually to die for. If you ever come here, you need to get it. It's basically a cinnamon sticky bun tower thing, and it's absolutely to die for.
Pickled vegetables here. This is our cauliflower dip.
So our food just got here, and guys, this absolutely looks unreal. I got some avocado toast, and people got a bunch of different stuff, so I'm going to show you guys right now. Look at this spread. So Louisa got the pancakes, and what is this? Chef special. We have a smoothie bowl over there. We have, oh my gosh, just so much stuff. This is my avocado toast. It looks amazing.
I asked the chef for something savory.
You can't go to brunch and not take a flat lay photo. So instead of eating, this is what we do in our spare time. There is an art to it though. You have to place everything very delicately to get the perfect shot. All right, breakfast was delicious. We actually have the room until 4 p.m. So we're gonna go hang out in the room, enjoy it a little bit more because we're not ready to give it up yet. Hi, Baba. Where are you? Uh-oh. Charles? Charles!
He's like, what?
Charles? Oh my goodness. Hello, sweetheart.
Oh.
Is your mom home? You can eat your breakfast? The ultimate post-brunch.
Ah, so full.
I undid my pants at lunch.
You undid your pants at the drink portion.
Girls gotta do what girls gotta do.
Yeah.
Have you had a good birthday?
I've had an amazing birthday. Honestly, best birthday to date.
Yay! High five.
You did it.
We did it.
It's amazing. And we're still color coordinating. Oh, the sleeve.
I know, doing a color coordinated birthday is like the best.
We all look like planned. Because we are.
Because we are. We were told we
But literally,
cannot wear anything other
I
than
did.
blue,
But I'm happy that you
white,
guys...
and gold. But it worked out so
It worked out
nice.
so
And literally,
nice.
the photos, you guys want to check them out? Follow
We
us
love
on
a
Instagram.
scheme. We love a color scheme.
Love a color scheme.
We do.
Anyways, I'm gonna have a nap.
Over.
All right, and on that note, our girls' weekend has come to an end. Happy birthday, Kat.
Happy birthday!
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll leave all these ladies' handles down below as well. And we will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.